At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. I'm back again with another video. Firefighters are currently battling a bushfire behind the Morant Bay Urban Center in Sthomas. My wisdom warriors, I have a video clip where I'm going to show you. But before I show you the video clip, you know the labor right them a run out and a talk about a PNP set fire. Stop call up PNP name. You know yourself. Shit house. Shit in a plate. You stop call up PNP name. A labor right go light it. And I know PNP. And I know PNP. You know say PNP no mix up in a no bangarang. It come like you no notice. You know say PNP humble and I watch what go on. All when una text said pan PNP and pay una no mind. So how comes una talk about PNP light fire? Eh? How comes una talk about PNP light fire? Una light fire because una want go hey, now make me talk the things them no. Don't make me talk the things them. Una light the fire, una dirty kin labor right. Stop tell lie pan Mark Golden. But una call up Mark Golden name but who are Mark Golden light. Una think some Mark Golden stay like una brother? Uno think some Mark Golden corrupt like Uno? Eh? Uno think some Uno come off a Mark Golden name. Uno dirty shit bag, shit in a plate. Uno come off a Mark Golden name. A who no man? Uno somebody brother? Every day uno come out, pan blouse and skirt, social media can't chat off on the mouth and talk about Mark Golden. Uno can't walk in a Mark Golden shoes. None of Uno dirty kin labor right. Uno can't walk in a Mark Golden shoes, man. Uno out here chat off on the mouth. If uno not have nothing for chat, man, uno shut on a stinking mouth. Uno chat too much, brother. Uno chat too much, man, about Mark Golden and PNP. A labor right do it. A phone style that. A phone style that about PNP. Uno go here from here, some man. My wisdom warriors, uno take in the video here. Uno see that, my people. Uno see the bushfire. But guess what? Let me tell you something, man. I want to stop call up PNP name. Because uno know say uno labor right to do all these things. Uno wicked and uno is a set of liar. Just like Nesta Morgan. Come out and tell lie pa Mark Golden. My wisdom warriors. Me can't believe Nesta Morgan. I so low in gone. Nesta Morgan. Seriously, brother. Seriously, me know say you probably not go see that one here. Cause you block me for whatever reason. Because you know so me always lick on with the throat. And I don't care. Me no care who want like me. And me no care who want hate me. I'm out here to speak the truth. Whether you like it, yes or no. Nesta Morgan a full time on stop tell lie pa Mark Golden. You know say Mark Golden is a man of transparency. You know say Mark Golden is a man of honesty. And a man of integrity. Stop come out and tell lie pa Mark Golden. My wisdom warriors, take a look at this.
I'm in the constituency of the leader of the opposition. This is Central and the Southern.
No, Nesta, that is not in my constituency. The area behind you in the photo is known as Board Villa, and it is in West Kingston. You couldn't even get that right with your little video gimmick. In fact, I reached out to the MP for West Kingston months ago for him to put in place dump site monitors for that space, like I have done in my constituents to keep areas like that clean and tidy. but he hasn't yet put it in place. And by the way, as far as my constituency is concerned, we have only been allocated 2 minor roads to begin with under Spark. The 2 roads that we chose to begin with under the project, including Collie Smith Drive, which badly needs attention, have been put on the back burner by you or those who report to you. So pull up your socks, man, and start behaving like a minister of government. They specialize in gimmicks. We specialize in real solutions.
Wanna hear that, my wisdom warriors? Wanna see what Nesta Morgan do? Wanna see what Nesta Morgan do? These are the things these liar minister doing. I never see no ministers do things like that. Never ever. What are these set of peoples? That's why I call them corrupted criminals. That's why I call them corrupted criminals, my wisdom warriors. Why would Nesta Morgan go so low telling lie for Mark Golden? Because they don't have nothing for Mark G. Wanna see that? They don't have nothing for Mark Golden. So right now, them are run out with pure lie. Wanna think the people are idiot? Wanna think the people fool? People are not fool. People are not fool, Nesta Morgan. People are not fool. And you need to stop this. This is so wrong on all levels. Boy, uno terrible. This is not a joke thing. This is not a joke thing, Nesta Morgan. We're not joke with you. Because when PNP come out and ask uno for money for fix places, uno put them on the back burner. Uno hear what Mark Golden say. Uno is all about gimmicks. Uno is all about gimmicks. And PNP solve situations. You understand me? Uno need to stop this. Stop this bullcrap. And then the dirty king labor right them the way how them believe in a UNO. Because me not understand. You see people who support Labour Party are friggin' idiot. Them not have no sense and they need help. UNO need help. UNO make these people come out and a trick on Jamaica. These liars. These liars prancing all about, all over Jamaica. With them lying self. Me will never respect none of uno. Una liar. Me not like liar and me not like thief. Me at half of the press. Me not like liar and me not like thief. So me can't respect no boy and no girl. We are liar and a thief. Una idiot. And guess what? If a somebody else do these things, uno ready to lock them up. Or uno ready to brand them as a liar and thief. So guess what? Uno in the same boat as them. Uno in the same boat as them. Just like how more than this. Anybody when them lie and thief, as some me are this uno. Uno is a set a destruction upon the land. And uno laugh about things. And uno joke about things. Uno don't take people life serious. This is why uno have the JCF go around and a kill off youths them. Because uno not take people life serious. Uno laugh after poor people. Uno mock poor people. And I really pity the labor right them that sit down and I say shower every day. And enough of them can't even find soap to wash them stinking front. Enough of them can't even find soap. Can't even find toothpaste to brush them teeth. Jesus mercy. I don't know out there every day I talk about shower. Uno is a disgrace. Mighty God. My wisdom warriors. Hear this. Opposition leader Mark Golden is again taking issue with the lack of certification of the Prime Minister's statutory declaration. In a report tabled in Parliament last year, the Integrity Commission indicated that it was unable to certify the Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness' declarations for 2022 and 2023. The Prime Minister was granted permission by the Supreme Court to challenge the Integrity Commission's investigation report into his financial affairs. My wisdom warriors, wanna see the reason why Andrew Holness have to take the IC to court. Wanna see the reason because IC simply asked him for information and Andrew Holness refused. And that's the big problem, you know. Andrew Holness refused to show them. Andrew Holness refused to show them the information that they asked for. This is why they cannot certify him. So when me hear the labor right them come out and talk about, oh, IC if certify the man, certify the man. How can the IC certify the man when the man not provide evidence? The man not provide proof. Remember, you know, you're under investigation and them ask you to provide proof and you're refusing. Andrew Holness will go to prison. Andrew Holness will go to prison. Yeah, if you got prison, my wisdom warriors, this is unacceptable. And if it was someone else that is not cooperating with the IC, them wouldn't get charged already. If it was someone else not cooperating with IC, they wouldn't get charged already. They wouldn't get charged already. And that girl, DCP Keisha need to step down from her role. Because she a waste time. She knows that she fi charge Andrew Holness, and she don't want to charge Andrew Holness because the whole of them are labor right. This government is a corrupted government. We do not want a corrupted government to lead us, Jamaica. I want to listen to this. We do not want a corrupted government to lead us. Because if your government is corrupted, you will never have peace in your country. You are going to get corrupt yourself. You understand me? It is not fair, you know, when you have scammer youth them out the road and them a lock them up. But when you have the Prime Minister and in cronies them a scam, no, like, them now get locked up. Why is that? Why is that? Mark Golding, I got prison on the backside. Mark Golding, I got prison on the backside. You, Andrew Holness, and your woman, Juliet Holness, the land thief, I got prison. This is why I see them out here a fight every day, my wisdom warriors. Because them no one got prison. That's all them a fight for, true, they no one got prison. Because them backside, I got jail. Me hear the labor right, them a talk about how the 28 account died down. And uno come like a some idiot. Uno pick up for a man with thief from taxpayers. Uno a pick up for a man with steal taxpayers' money. And not only that, steal charity money and do him own personal business with it. And uno alright with that. What kind of person are you guys? Uno crazy or uno sick in the head or something? What wrong with uno? Uno not have sense. Eh? Yeah, tell me so we ancestors fight for we. For uno come and go on like uno not have sense. So wait there. All the fight where we ancestors fight, you know mean nothing. Uno no learn nothing from it. Uno gone back to square one. Uno make Andrew Holness trick uno. Open up uno eye Jamaica. Be wise. Think clearly. Keep focus. Keep focus. Our own black brother. I go set well, he start sell we out already. Because him bringing needs. Need is a violation of our rights and freedom. This is why the court struck it down and said, this is unacceptable. We're not having this. You understand me? Why do we need a leader? Why do we need a leader that want to bring needs to us? And some of you think that the needs make you can't travel. That is a lie. Nothing no go like that. The needs are no biometric for no travel. Nowhere. Nothing no go so. That is a lie. The needs can't make you travel. The needs is not a visa. It cannot make you travel. Go all over in a foreign. Nothing no go so. That is a big fat lie. And number two, only Jamaica alone do the needs. Andrew Holness a frig way up. And that Andrew Holness a do. Trinidad and Tobago not do that. St. Vincent not do that. Barbados do all of them. They not do no needs. You have to ask these questions. Why Andrew Holness no one decolonize us? Why you want have us in a captivity? You have to think in a Jamaica. You not think straight. And for all those who talk about Jamaica not going to be a republic. Hey, you better act like you have sense. You better act like you have sense. You need to read more and stop guess. Because when Jamaica become republic, it's not going to be no more green and no more orange. Let me tell you no. No more green and no more orange. Let me tell you no. One Jamaica. Whether you don't like it, yes or no. You understand? So I want to pull up on the socks. I want to button up on the short Jamaica. I want to straighten up on the clothes. And think this through. Think this through, Jamaica. Say no to needs. You hear me? Say no to needs. Anyway, take in this.
As a politically independent country, we could have achieved much more were it not for corruption in its many forms. Whether it is corruption that is causing leakage of revenue, which is such an important issue now, given the fact, Mr. Speaker, that governments have to be so responsible for the fiscal outcomes of their policies, or whether it is by virtue of just the perception of the country being corrupt, that investors, when they are looking at the options, will say, I can't bother doing business with this country.
Wanna hear Andrew Wellness? Wanna hear Andrew Wellness, my wisdom warriors? I talk about corruption. Wanna see, back in the day, he might talk about corruption. And right now, this man no want to get rid of corruption because through him breathe it, he doesn't want to get rid of corruption. This is why he want to take down the IC. This is why he want to take down the IC. Wanna feel look out on the yard, brother. Wanna remember the IC man where then take one briefcase and shoot him in a hand. Listen, think clearly, Jamaica. Wanna hear me? Think clearly. Think clearly, me I beg you no. Andrew Holness can't run Jamaica. Andrew Holness want power. Andrew a demon, you know. We don't want no demon run the country. We don't want no demon run the country. Understand? Andrew must go. He need to pack him bag and he need to go. He need to step down. He don't want to step down. So we are going to go out and we are going to vote out Andrew Holness. So my wisdom warriors, everybody that is eligible for vote, remember, you need to go and put your name down on the voters list. You understand me? Remember to go and put your name down on the voters list. Once you know say eligible for vote, me I beg you know the deadline is the 31st of March. Alright, my people, that. I want to like up the video, I want to share it out and subscribe to my channel. My people, I just want to say thank you guys. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for commenting. Sometimes I not get to answer every single person because on a one channel me I manage my people. Let me tell you now, me make it clear. Yeah, on a one channel me I manage. Me I manage 4 to 5 channel. Plus me have TikTok, plus me have Instagram, plus me have Facebook, plus me have Twitter. You understand? Me have a whole lot and I work. And I have a baby. You understand what I mean? So if you don't see me reply to you, don't worry. I'm seeing it, you know. Sometimes I don't get to everybody, but I will get there. So my people, when you subscribe to the channel, I want to know if you turn on the post notification bell on. So as I drop the video, you get them straight away. And remember to continue to share out this video because the more you share it out, the more the algorithm pick it up. You understand me? And more people can see this video. Blessings upon blessings. One love.